is my husband cheating on me?
Will I marry my future wife in the next 2 years?
Will I win the lotto this weekend?
Hi, I'm Fortune Tala.
Well, I heard that, she tells a lot of things to people and some things that come true and a lot of things, they don't come true. So today I just want to test her, see if she's the real thing or not.
Wow, Talo, fascinating. Look, I've been really busy, but as soon as I got your email, I really want to make time to talk with you. What's bothering you?
Well, I can't find the love of my life.
Oh, my gosh.
Yeah, I have all these men, but I don't seem to like anyone.
You have all these men?
Yeah.
Oh, I know how you feel it.
Do you have?
Yeah.
You're in the same boat as well.
Oh, if we would be like that, I would be on this side.
God, I think our boat's gonna sink if you're in the same boat.
Are you looking for a true love?
Well, I don't know about true love, but some love would be nice for me.
Okay. Yes. Let me find what we can see.
Tại sao bố bố?
I can feel it. I can feel it.
What?
Yeah.
What are you feeling?
It's me. I'm your problem.
What's the problem?
All the men is coming to me.
Oh my God, is that true?
I really think that's what the problem
I don't know why. Why is that? Because I'm the better looking one.
I think it's come down to personality.
Personality?
Yeah.
So you're saying I have no personality?
No, you said it. I didn't say that. But the card's here.
Where?
That means no personality.
That card, let me see the card.
See?
That card, it looks like a working man.
Yeah, so that's what you're gonna end up with, is a working man. A man who has to work hard to get your love. But with me, that's my card. There's a sword.
So you die by the sword?
No, what it means is he's gonna have a slice of me every time I give him a piece of me. Give him a piece of love.
Oh my God.
This card here, that card there means
You're a drunk.
Age and cups.
Oh, it's the fish in the cup.
Yeah, that means that I'm like a fish, and plenty of fish in the sea, but he only want one fish in his cups.
Oh, poor fish. I feel sorry for this fish.
No.
Because it looks like it's been in the frying pan.
No, there's some chips there with you. I think I have told you everything you need to know. All you need to do now is just pay up front for your session today.
I pay up front?
Yes.
I wasn't told about this pay up front thing.
No, I'm telling you in person.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't do those things on email.
Oh.
So before you leave, just pay up, please. How many cards? Wow, it was great talking to Sente. And I do really feel a close connection with me. It's like we have so much in common. But I really believe that she's going to go home happy because I have connected her with her best friend, Betty. And I've also told her she has a bright future with a man.
Oh, Aunty Tala, you're so good. You told me everything I wanted to hear. Not. But yeah, well, gosh, she's big. You don't want to mess with her, eh?